hiking back from Gufu Falls near Seyðisfjörður, enjoying the sunrise as we go. It's really pretty, check it out. Hi guys. We were just trying to head to a scenic viewpoint to overlook the town of Seyðisfjörður. We got stopped by this scary set of sheep over here. They keep staring us down and they have horns, so I think we're gonna turn around.
We're Karin and Jeremy, an average couple with average jobs and limited vacation time. When we take trips, we have 1 or 2 weeks, 3 if we're lucky, and we want to see and do as much as possible when we travel. Join us as we maximize our vacation time on Mapping It. We left Seyðisfjörður early in the morning for a long day of driving around East Iceland. Our first stop of the day was a detour off the ring road to see a cool waterfall. The entire detour was unpaved and the road was extremely steep and narrow in some sections, so be careful if you go this way.
We made it to Cliff Brekkufossur.
It's a very impressive cascading waterfall.
East Iceland is similar to the West Fjords in that it is sparsely populated and you're constantly driving along mountains and fjords. The difference is that the roads in East Iceland are mainly paved and in great condition. Don't underestimate this section of the ring road. While the roads are good, the drive is extremely long. Break up your trip with stops along the way. There are lots of neat waterfalls to check out. One fun stop is at the Hvalnes Lighthouse and Nature Preserve. There's an incredible black sand beach with water on both sides.
We're at Vestrahorn. It's really cool to explore. There's really tall mountains right behind us, and the tide has gone out, leaving reflective pools of water, which is awesome to walk around and see. And then in the distance there's a Viking movie set as well as a lighthouse. Super cool.
We spotted our first glacier near Vestrahorn, and it was very exciting. Jökulsárlón is Iceland's biggest glacier. By volume, it contains more water than Africa's Lake Victoria, and by area, it's larger than the state of Delaware. It's almost a mile thick at its thickest point.
We're at the Jokulsarlon Glacier, and we're about to do a zodiac boat tour. We're all bundled up in these awesome suits.
Jökulsárlon Glacier Lagoon first appeared around 1935 as the tongue of the glacier began to recede. The lagoon is now around 7 square miles and about 900 feet at its deepest point. There are a bunch of icebergs floating in the lagoon, and taking a zodiac boat tour allows you to get up close and personal with them. When a fresh chunk of ice breaks off the glacier, it's bright blue, and as it melts, it turns white. You only see about a tenth of the iceberg above the surface of the water, and sometimes, as the iceberg melts, it becomes unbalanced and suddenly flips over in the water with a huge splash. The water in the lagoon is an incredible teal blue color that's created when the fresh water from the glacier melts and mixes with the salt water from the Atlantic Ocean. There are tons of seals swimming through the lagoon and lounging on icebergs. They have no predators in the lagoon, so it's a safe place for them to relax.
We did a zodiac tour and it was amazing, and we saw the glacier up close and a lot of icebergs and seals.
We ended our day at Diamond Beach right next to the Glacier Lagoon. It's called Diamond Beach because icebergs that float out to the ocean often get washed up on shore and look like diamonds against the black sand. It's a nice place to watch the sunset.
They're not moving.
Cool. Day 40. Been wandering this desert for ever and ever, and all I see are these giant grass dunes and that car.